Hello friends, welcome to the channel. I am Poonam Dua from Ement Education Academy of Literature, and today we are going to do an interesting topic, that is feminist utopia, and we will understand what this term is, and we will also read about the important texts associated with this term. Before moving further, please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. सबसे पहले जानते हैं ये टर्म होती क्या है, फेमिनिस्ट यूटोपिया। तो फेमिनिस्ट वर्ड का मतलब सोचते हैं सबसे पहले। फेमिनिस्ट का मतलब होता है एनीबडी हु इज़ फाइटिंग फॉर द इक्वालिटी ऑफ females. And utopia is an ideal society where everybody can live in peace and harmony. So feminist utopia is a type of fiction. Usually a feminist utopian novel envisions a world that is in stark contrast to patriarchal society where all females can live in harmony. Feminist utopia imagines a society without gender oppression, envisioning a future or an alternate reality where men and women are not stuck in the traditional roles of inequality, and all these novels are often set in the world where men are generally entirely absent. These are the books that we will cover in this video, and I have given the name in chronological order only. The Book of the City of Ladies by Christine de Pizan, Sultana's Dream by Rokia Sakhawat Hussain, the Harlan Trilogy by Charlotte Perkins, Women on the Edge of Time by Marge Piercy, Master of None by N.Lee Wood. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं इनमें से सबसे ओल्ड बुक की, 1405 की, द बुक ऑफ द सिटी ऑफ लेडीज़ बाय क्रिस्टीन डी पिजन. द बुक इज़ अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टाइम. क्रिस्टीन डी पिजन डज एनविजन अ सिटी वेयर women are granted intellect and moral equality to men, and where all the famous ladies of early Western literature can live together in peace and harmony. फेमिनिस्ट यूटोपिया से रिलेटेड ये बुक दिखाती है कि द सिटी सर्व्स एज अ टेस्टामेंट टू द पावर and unity of women and of their own high standards and the unshakable virtues. Even women can have the power same as men, women can have same intellect as men, and they can also live with each other in unity. Another novel is Sultana's Dream by Rokia Sakhawat Hussain, and I'm able to recall there was a question in recent MA English entrance exam from this book, that which of the following book is of feminist utopia. So if you go through the whole video, maybe you can answer many more questions in the future. So Sultana's Dream is a 1905 feminist utopian story written by Rokia Sakhawat Hussain, a Muslim feminist writer and a social reformer from Bengal. Book shows the story or tale of a reverse society that posits a world in which men are confined indoors and women have taken over the public sphere. Women are working generally and men remain inside the houses and do all the domestic work. So ending in a non-violently and restoring health and beauty to the world, females work together. So it has been shown that if female is given the major authority, then the world will automatically become non-violent and beautiful. Next is the Harlan Trilogy by Charlotte Perkins, 1915. Harlan is a utopian novel from 1915 written by feminist Charlotte Perkins. The book describes an isolated society, a unique society composed entirely, completely of females, of women who reproduce also, who gives birth to new babies also, but without mating with males. And the result is an ideal social order where there is no war, there is no conflict, there is no domination. Next is The Turn of Women on Edge of Time by Marge Piercy, 1976 की book है ये. This is a novel by Marge Piercy and it is considered a classic of feminist utopian speculative science fiction as well as a feminist classic. There is a character Connie Ramos in this novel. Connie Ramos has been declared insane and she has been beaten and abused, and she has lost the custody of her daughter, and she has been confined to the mental ward, to the asylum against her will. But Connie also happens to be the only person on the earth, scientifically, who can communicate with the year 2137. Women on the Edge of Time. This novel depicts parallel stories, 1970s New York, where incidents will fate a potentially utopic future, and the futuristic society of 2137. तो अब बात करते हैं मास्टर ऑफ नन की बाय एनली वुड। सबसे पहले दो कैरेक्टर्स को समझ लेते हैं। देर इज़ अ लेडी कॉल्ड यनीडा हु इज़ द मेट्रियार्क ऑफ नेगीशा क्लैन। तो यनीडा को बहुत ही पावरफुल फीमेल दिखाया गया है। एंड देन देर इज़ अ मेल कॉल्ड हेंगली नेथन क्रू। इस बुक में दिखाया गया देर इज़ अ planet that is called Vanner. तो Vanner एक बहुत ही powerful secretive planet है that forbids foreigners to enter into it. But a man finds man जिसका मैंने introduction करवाया था अभी आपसे, a man finds himself stranded in this strict matriarchal society, and he slowly comes to understand this complex culture of women rulers and the secret behind their world. So, stranded on the planet, marooned after attempting to steal the botanical specimen from Vanner, Hengeli Nathan Crew finds himself totally at the mercy of Yanida, ancient matriarch of Negesha clan and perhaps the most powerful women in the world. So that is it for this video, and you can click on this link to read about Marxist criticism, which is also an important topic for students. So best of luck for your exams. If you want to join our classes, you can contact at the given numbers, and please do not forget to share, subscribe the channel.